Check out this Dodge 2020 Challenger GT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50 STD, tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, black houndstooth cloth performance seats, quick order package to ELGT included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches satin carbon painted, STD, pitch black clear coat, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.